Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix if the microphone is not working on your iPhone or iPad device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So if you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18 and now microphone is not working on your iPhone device, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem if you're having this type of issue on your iPhone or iPad device. So first of all, here we need to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, here we have to scroll it down and here search for privacy and security. So here is privacy and security. You will need to tap on this. Then after that, here you will have to scroll it down here and here search for microphone. So here you will find the option microphone. Here you will need to tap on this. And here make sure that all the toggles should be enabled from here. Here make sure that all the toggles should be enabled, no toggle should be disabled from here. Then after, go back and check the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next version, again open setting. Then here we need to tap on general. Then after that, here we have to scroll it down and here tap on software update. And make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. Then after that, go back again, open setting. Then here you will have to again open setting, then scroll down. Then here you will have to scroll down and here tap on screen time. Then here we have to scroll down and here tap on content and privacy restriction. Then here turn this toggle on. Then after that, here make sure that all the options are allowed from here. Then after that, here check the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here you will have to clean your iPhone port with clean cotton or with clean cloth. So here make sure that your iPhone port is clean and it's working properly, and here make sure that it's not dusty. Then after that, here you will need to again open setting. Then here scroll down, then tap on general, then here scroll it up all the way, then here tap on transfer reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset all settings. After that, here you will have to enter your iPhone passcode. Then after that, here you will have to force restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button and volume down, then press the power button until Apple logo appears. So after that, after all these settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed and microphone will be working on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.